Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and I'll tell you where I've been all this while. But today I'm talking about rice water. I've just deep conditioned my hair and I applied my rice water afterwards, which shouldn't be the way it's done, but I'm going to tell you all about my experience. The Yao women generally apply the rice water, the fermented rice water on their hair, and they rinse it out with spring water. I prepared my rice water by using plain white rice, washing it and putting it into a jar, and then I went ahead to use some green tea that I had steeped and added it to the rice water. I left it 24 hours and then I used it on my hair afterwards. So this is just how I made the tea, like I said. And why rice water in the first place? So I would say to you that the reason I actually did try it with all the rice water craze, I needed to know the science-based facts, and actually studies had found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. And they claim that it even protects the hair from future damage. So I said, why not give it a go and see how it feels, right? And that's why I tried it. So I put mine into an applicator, a spray bottle basically, and I sprayed it on my hair in the shower. Now, after using this rice water, I'm not going to tell you that I experienced any magic. My hair didn't feel like it was shedding as much, and that could also be a contributing factor of green tea, because remember, green tea contains DHT blockers, which helps to reduce excessive shedding. So I don't know if it's the rice water or the green tea, but somehow my hair felt quite strengthened afterwards. So this is how I apply the rice water on my hair. So I sprayed this rice water on my scalp and also on my strands, and I left it covered for 20 minutes, and afterwards I rinsed it out and then I went ahead to moisturize my hair. So a few days later I felt like my strands were quite brittle, so I'm just wondering if it was because I put the rice water after deep conditioning. So I'm thinking I should have done the rice water treatment and then deep conditioned afterwards, but I didn't mind the other way around. I mean, I was experimenting, and by the way, this video is a few years old, it's 3 years old. I never posted it, but I just thought I would talk about it because on my Instagram I was talking about rice water and I just wanted to hear people's comments. A lot of people have had bad experiences with rice water. I didn't have a terrible experience, but I didn't have like an awesome experience where I feel like it needs to be part of my regimen. It's messy to make. I don't really like to store it in my fridge, and yeah, I don't know what my microbial or bacteria will be growing in it after a week. So really, I feel like with a good regimen you might not necessarily need to use rice water. But I'm not undermining anybody who has used it and it works for them. Like they say, if it's not broken, do not fix it. So me, I'm not bothering. Maybe I might use it in the future, who knows, never say never. But at the moment, I'm not really keen on it, and I'm not going to say that it's made a huge difference in my hair routine. Like I said to you, the green tea may have been the reason why my hair stopped shedding, but I can't really tell you that for sure, because who knows really. So like I said, it's something where if you think it's working for you, go ahead and keep doing it, but if it's not working for you, stop doing it. I've heard a few people tell me that they actually had a huge hair loss after using rice water. Now, is rice water a protein treatment? That I cannot tell you. Protein treatments are normally amino acids which fill up the cracks in the hair structure itself. I don't know if rice water does that, but I know that it repairs some damage. So I'm not a scientist, I promise. I'll come up with an update if I get any more information. But by the way, after rinsing my hair out, I tried to detangle it, and it wasn't really very easy to do, so I did this off camera. But if you love this video, or if you like the video, let me not get ahead of myself, and why not subscribe and also give me a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you've used rice water. What was your experience? Would you be using it again? Is it part of your routine? Let me know. By the way, I must have said this in the beginning, and I don't know how many by the ways I'm saying, but the Yao women, they rinse their hair afterwards with spring water, and I'm not going to tell you that rice water is the reason why the Yao women's hair is this length. I promise you it's not. This is genetic. So don't let anybody deceive you. Hey Fussy girl, if you use rice water on your hair will not be like the Yao women's hair. So don't even sweat it. But I love you, love and light, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.